Welcome to a beautiful muddy morning out here at the river house. We are apparently in between big rainstorms, which is fine with me. I got the youngin' with me, and he's got a few experiments he wants to try. He's got some pop bottles full of water and he wants to throw them off some cliffs. And then we have a frozen one and he would like to squish it with the excavator. So a little bit of frivolity before we start our day. The red trailer is back home. I just ran it all the way up, gave it some good grease, tipped it back down again, so we should be good to go for another few more decades. Something else will break before we have to worry about those pins again. Yeah, other than I apparently forgot to bring the shoe for the tripod, we're gonna have to wing it. We've done okay.
And we're also, after we do the ice bottle, we'll drop a rock on that, up there, and throw another.
I forgot we were gonna drop a big rock on it. That'll be fun too, huh? Okay.
It's probably just gonna crumple and
I bet. All right, well, let's go get this excitement going. Well, I don't know if it's going to squirt out of there or not. Do you want to run the thumb?
Sure.
Didn't do any damage at all, did it? That's it. Oh, rethinking is required. All right, which one, bud?
Ice one and that clear one.
Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let me put them underneath. No, I don't like the idea of you running underneath. How do you want me to set it? Straight up, straight down, sideways?
Straight up. From that thing. And there's another one too.
Well, we're going to do one at a time, right?
All right.
Or do you want to do both of them?
One at a time.
Third time's the charm.
What?
Right here. Ready? You gotta be kidding me. I meant the fourth time's the charm.
I'm grabbing both bottles.
You want to do them both at once, is what you're saying? All right. Oh, I got one.
This is all that's left. The biggest piece of the ice so far. Dad, we have another piece of ice we can put under it.
You ready?
Get that drain. All we need is this. Bam! Let's drop this stuff down. Bam!
Well, that was cool. Broke our rock.
show the people.
Actually, we broke both of our rocks.
That's what's left of the dry ice bottle. This is what's left of that. Now there's the funnier stuff.
Yeah?
Dropping that off the cliff.
Sometimes Dad just had to get back to work. Well, we're done. This isn't exactly the stuff that I was hoping to build the roadbed out of, but it's actually mixed with a lot more rock than it might look at first appearance. And the stuff packs down like iron. I mean, it's what everything else is. So, if it's fine for everything else, it's probably fine for this. You can see we're a wee bit narrow yet. I now have access up there for the blue pickup, so we can get on the drilling, which is, you know, any dream of starting the concrete before winter is done. That's, woo, that's what's gonna happen. We're gonna fire up the world's craziest rock crusher right here and just poop out some rock that we can start using to grade and level this, and basically just to get rid of stuff. Yeah, bud. Oh yeah? Can you and your mom catch it and get it out? No. All right. What? All right. All right, we're about to bring the world's craziest rock crusher to life. Well, I got rid of the stuff that was in the way at the bottom, so now I can bring the backhoe in and start really feeding it till we get us a big old pile of gravel. much of a survivor. Maybe we gotta save it for another thing. We could say, Shay, we could save it for a day when we go to the very top and throw it off the 100-foot cliff. And we're done for the day. Got a lot done. I went up here to remove the old road just to get a little bit more building material. That's all solid rock. I mean, it doesn't look like it now, but trust me, underneath that is all solid rock. So that's a bit of a, I guess, a shock. This material is going to get down into here to buttress, and some of it will end up thrown over the other side of the bank just to make the whole thing wider, the whole thing wider. We got some pretty steep edges here. That's going to slough some. And, you know, this nice sharp corner is a pain in the ass, but I'll move that. This is all one solid sheet of rock. So I'm going to have drainage issues as it comes down and around. It's going to have a culvert down there someday. But we'll see what the winter does to it. Like I said, I'm now able to get the trucks back up here on top so I can start drilling. Kid said he found a big rat in the house, so we got to go take care of that and put all the machines to bed, get them all covered up and whatnot. So from all of us to all of you, thanks for watching.